Hi, this is Mark from ShowMeConstruction, and today I'm going to put up a Delta 24-inch towel bar. We're going to put it above the other towel bar we have here, same kind. So brackets. And here are our anchors. Okay, we're going to go up 24 inches above this towel bar, 27 inches rather, to center. And the same distance off, 4.5 inches. And I'm going to measure down for the other one. Looks like 18.25, so I'll go over 24. And 18.25 down on this side. There's my center lines. And I made a second mark above my center line, and that'll mark my center hole for these brackets. And then I'll make a mark where this one is. I'm going to put the anchor in. And I'll do that on both sides here. I really like these anchors because the holder just pushes on. You don't have to have a little set screw to set it. So now I'm going to take and put the anchor in, and now I'm going to hang the bracket. The top one. Second one here. Got to adjust these. Go straight up and down. There. These on, and we just hook on and lock into place. I'll grab the bar and stick it in this side. Put this on this side and lock it in. And tap it down, and there it is. We got a towel bar. I'm going to hang a towel on it. Just above the other one.